14-day judicial custody have been granted to the two Zee editors, Sudhir Chaudhary and Sameer Ahluwalia. Zee editors will now be lodged in Tihar jail and their bail plea will be heard tomorrow. Bhavtosh now joins us on the phone line for more on this. Bhavtosh, what transpired in court today? What were the arguments given by both the sides, and did the police not seek further custody of the two Zee executives? We'll try and go across to Bhavtosh in just a bit, but remember 2 days ago, two-day police custody was granted to the two Zee executives, Sudhir Chaudhary and Sameer Ahluwalia. That police custody came to an end today, and today 14-day judicial custody has been given to the two Zee executives, Sudhir Chaudhary and Sameer Ahluwalia. Zee editors, according to recent reports, will be lodged in Tihar jail and their bail plea will be heard tomorrow. Bhavtosh now joins us with the details. Yes, Bhavtosh.
In fact, the court was told by the crime branch officers that custodial interrogation of Sudhir Chaudhary and Sameer Ahluwalia is no longer required. But at the same time, they said that he should not be released on bail and said that he should be sent to judicial custody because the investigations are still on in this case and the Zee group is not cooperating with the investigators. After hearing both the sides, the court said that the bail application of the two editors would be heard tomorrow afternoon. In fact, the crime branch also made a submission in the court that they have recorded the statement of Jawahar Goel, who is Subhash Goel's younger brother, who also is the director of the Zee News Group. At the same time, they have said that they have also recorded the statement of the director of legal affairs of the Zee Group, Amit Tripathi, and they have said that there are certain discrepancies that they have found in the statement of key players in this case. That's the reason why Sudhir Chaudhary and Sameer Ahluwalia should not be released on bail, and consequently, the two editors have now been sent to Tihar jail.
On what grounds are the two editors now seeking bail, which will be coming up for hearing tomorrow?
Well, they have said that they have been cooperating with the investigators and that this is a politically motivated case. They have further said that there's a lot of connivance between the Jindal Group and the crime branch while they have been taking part in the investigation and have recorded their statement time and again. But despite that, crime branch officers felt that they should first be arrested, sent to custodial interrogation, and then sent to judicial custody. They have said this was an attempt to muzzle the news channel's voice, and they should be released on bail. They have also said that the two editors are respected journalists, and they have no prior criminal record, and that's the reason why bail should be given to them.
What were the arguments that were put out over the past few days by the defense and the prosecution in this case in court?
Well, Munmun, today the public prosecutor was not present in the courtroom. Only the investigating officers and the investigating team was present in the courtroom. They only said that the custodial interrogation of the two editors is now over and that they should be sent to Tihar jail, after which a brief submission was made by Rebecca John, who was representing the Zee Group. She said that the matter is urgent and that it should be heard promptly, after which the court said that it would not be possible for them to hear this matter late this afternoon and posted the matter for tomorrow at around 2 p.m. The real hearing on the bail application will start tomorrow. As of now, they have officers in the crime branch have said that they will oppose the bail application of Sudhir Chaudhary and Sameer Ahluwalia, primarily because the head of the Zee Group, Subhash Chandra Goel, who has been sent two notices in past many days, has not joined in the investigation, and the reports that officers in the Delhi police have got is that he has gone to Dubai. That's the reason why they have said that, because there is a belief that some evidence in the case could be tampered and witnesses could be influenced. That would be the grounds on which they will oppose the bail application of Sudhir Chaudhary and Sameer Ahluwalia.